Apakah yang dibilang oleh 22,2 juta orang itu benar tentang perspektif mod tersebut? Kan kalian bisa mati karena makhluk sekecil ini jika kalian tidak mempelajarinya.
Oh my god, dia bisa nyerang.
Tahu setelah aku gagal dalam menyelesaikan mod.
Philippines, an island nation with a population of 115 million people. Events in China and Vietnam forced the government to take action. International airports in Manila and other cities are closed. External flights are not accepted. Curfew, reinforced military patrols, and checkpoints are implemented to maintain order and identify small groups of infected individuals. The region around the capital is being resettled to reduce population density and the likelihood of uncontrolled and mass infection. Virus-free zones have been established on the islands of Palawan, Cebu, and Masbate. Their elongated shape allowed for the segregation of zones for easier control. People who have passed a thorough screening and 2-week quarantine are placed in these zones. It seemed that the island location of the country.
Can I ascend from a lowly lamb to become a god? If I brainwash enough buffoons and create a powerful enough cult, of course I can. And listen, I was planning to play 100 days, but I'm so flamin' good at the game, I beat the whole thing in 58 days. Anyway, I played 100 minus 42 days of Cult of the Lamb. Before day one even began, I was bound and led to these interesting fellas. Apparently these four are gods of some type: the tumbleweed, the toad, the tent, and the spooder. They declared that I was the last of my kind and that I was to go the way of all sacrificial lambs before me. I was to be slaughtered. And so this wombat with the pentagram on his forehead swung his chunky axe, and it was all over. But wait, what is that blinding light? Why are these two cats so angry? Why is this guy in chains? Turns out he's the one who waits, and those four idiots from before are the ones who trapped him. And he wants vengeance. And the quickest way to vengeance is to start a cult. He gave me two options: yes or absolutely. It's one of these situations where I just feel like I don't really have a choice. Absolutely. He gave me his creepy hat and I was imbued with evil power. I was ready to begin manipulating a bunch of gullible dinguses. I was ready to begin my cult. I picked hard difficulty because I'm a hardcore gamer, but not an extra hardcore gamer. I rolled around like a ninja, checking out the lovely glade that was now my home. And then I indoctrinated my first follower, Farty. I could have changed his form, but I decided to.
Ini adalah bayam baru yang diciptakan oleh Mojang. Nama bayamnya adalah Palepa. Nama bayam ini adalah Pale Garden, yang sekarang masih tersedia di Minecraft Snapshot. Nah, kali ini aku akan coba bertahan hidup di bayam ini selama 100 hari, tapi dengan tambahan tekstur pack realistik. Ya, inilah saatnya aku keluar gua untuk bermain di bayam itu. Oke guys, jadi selamat datang kembali di channel AwiPlay dan selamat menonton. I'm back baby. Oke, ini dia bayam Pale Garden.